If shoppers can enter a store at an average rate of R shoppers per minute and each stays in the store for an average time of T minutes, the average number of shoppers in the store, N, at any one time is given by the formula N equals RT. So point of note here, N is the number of shoppers at the store at any given moment. R is the average rate, the shoppers per minute, and T is the time. So this relationship is known as Little's Law. The owner of Good Deal store estimates that during business hours an average of 3 shoppers per minute enter the store, and that each of them stays an average of 15 minutes. The store owner uses Little's Law to estimate that there are 45 shoppers in the store at any time. So this part right here is really just trying to explain how to use this equation. So now the question. Little's Law can be applied to any part of the store, such as a particular department or the checkout lines. The store owner determines that during business hours, approximately 84 shoppers per hour make a purchase, and that each of these shoppers spends an average of 5 minutes in the checkout line. At any time during business hours, how many shoppers on average are waiting in the checkout line to make a purchase at the Good Deal store? So the first thing we want to note here is that we are given the approximate number of shoppers, but this is given in hours, per hour. And then he goes on to say they make a purchase and each of these shoppers spends an average of 5 minutes. So you see there's 2 units there. There's shoppers per hour, and then we want to the wait time is in minutes. So when you have 2 different units of measure, that is never going to work. So we have to make sure that we're working from the same unit. So let's actually do it this way. We know that we have 84 shoppers coming into the store every hour, but then we want to convert that to minutes. So we can say, well, this is 84 shoppers, and we know that 1 hour has 60 minutes in it, right? So this is 84 shoppers per 1 hour. And the reason we do this is that the hours are going to cancel out. This hour is going to cancel this hour, and now we have shoppers per minute. So, but then we have to also remember that we are looking at an average of 5 minutes at the checkout line, so you have to multiply this by 5. So let's actually do the math here. So it'll be 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 60 12 times. And then 12 and 84 can also simplify. So 12 goes into 12 once, 12 goes into 84 7 times. So that means, all things considered, there's going to be 7 shoppers per minute. And the answer is 7.